This is a salad that has it all. Sweet, savory, creamy, crunchy. This salad starts with a refreshing base. It's laid in flavors of summer. Watermelon, cucumber, avocados, melody tomatoes, which has a burst of colors. Basil, a touch of heat with jalapeños. This salad is finished off with the irresistible crunch of regular and sweet plantain chips, aka tostones and maduros chips. That creaminess with that tanginess, ooh, yes. I mean, watermelon, cucumber. See if I can get a tomato. Wow, burst of flavors. I'm telling you, you're not gonna regret this salad. You're gonna thank me. Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to totally have you cooled off, but leave you with a nice creamy sensation as well from a delicious salad. Our watermelon, cucumber, avocado, called a cool down salad. Let's make it together. Okay, so to make our salad, we're going to use a French technique called chiffonade with our basil. And basically what that means, chiffonade, is to make it like ribbons. So you take it and you just try to roll it, kind of like re-rolling a cigar or something, just roll it into a roll, basically, like a Tootsie Roll. And you just chop it down. Remember, pull your fingers back. Okay. So we just chopped up our basil. So let's go and this is super simple, super quick, keeps you hydrated and refreshed. I've already cut up my watermelon into chunks, and I like to put the juice in there. Who doesn't love watermelon juice, right? So I put that in there. My cucumber's the same. This is actually 1.5 cucumbers, and I just cut it really small. Look at that nice colors here. I'll add the pecans after. Let's go with a jalapeno. Now what I did, like I said, is that I removed the membranes and the seeds, and I'm gonna put our tomatoes. I just have them, so I'm going to add, because tomatoes do really well with salt and pepper, and they really kind of need it. So just got some salt. Just some Himalayan salt, so this helps with the sodium intake, and a little black pepper. I'm going to put the basil that I just chopped up here. Let's get our nuts in here. And now I just kind of like rough chop them, the walnuts. And let's open up our avocado. This is a neat little tool that I have that I really like. Or you can use your knife too. So I'm just gonna make some slits in here. Another reason I love this tool is because it has a cute little, just put it right here, turn it around, and it will grab your pit for you. So I'll just go across, and it'll just be like little small dices. And that's where the creaminess comes in with the avocado. We're putting our avocado that I slid up. Again, let me put a little bit of salt on the avocado. A little bit of black pepper, and we're going to mix this. We're going to gently mix it because we don't want to break our avocado. So we want to gently mix this, and then we will pour our glaze on it last. Look at this beautiful red and the light green and the darker green. Oh, pretty. And especially with this hot weather, you may not want to cook. There's nothing more better than a good tasting, delicious, refreshing salad. That would get your vitamins and nutrients, and also help you to try to remain as cool as possible. Here's our vitamin content. Look at our simple, cool down, creamy salad. Again, the creaminess is from the avocado. The cool down comes with the hydration of the cucumber and the watermelon. Got a dose of protein of the walnuts in there. And for me, I've got to kind of get more of a crunch factor than the walnut. So I have some sweet plantain chips as well as some regular ones. What would be called maduros and tostones chips, just accompanying my salad so I can have my extra crunch eating my delicious salad. And the best part of this, it's that little tang, that sweet tang you get from the balsamic glaze, which we're gonna drizzle all over here. And that's optional. You can use another form of dressing if you like, or nothing at all, because it is juicy from the watermelon and the cucumber. But I want to feel a little fancy, so I put a little balsamic glaze. Here are a list of ingredients. Well, let me drizzle my salad. Look at that fine drizzle. Now you can put a little bit more if you like, or a little bit less. It's up to you of how much of the pungent acid that you like. Remember, it's also with the sweetness. Wow, okay, so I can't wait to dig into this because you can clearly see the goodness of the balsamic glaze and even the pretty color with the brown on the light green and the green and the red. Now, here's a beauty that I can't wait to dig into. Let me start with my creaminess of the avocado, which has a wonderful balsamic glaze on it. That creaminess with that tanginess. Let me try with the watermelon, cucumber. See if I can get a tomato. Wow, first with flavors. I'm gonna get my little crunch going on. I'm telling you, you're not gonna regret the salad. You're gonna thank me. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Also, hit the notification button so you know every time we upload a new video. And don't click off this channel without hitting the like button. You know that you like this salad. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. And I'd love to hear how your salad turned out. If you did this salad or another salad, or if you have a salad that I may want to try. I really do appreciate you guys. And let me tell you something. Do not forget that health is wealth, and be good to yourself. Also, I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. And I want to show you my 2 books. If you love salads, here's a book for you. If you love salads. And again, a twist on boring salads. So you get to have a variety and make unique salads. And this book here, Loving Every Bite, just came out. They're both available on Amazon.com. And this has everything in here for everyone. Keto, vegetarian, regular eaters. There's something in here for everyone. And you'll truly enjoy loving every bite of this recipe.